So today we will be discussing a topic, transposition of the great vessels. Normally what happens is the pulmonary artery, it comes from the right ventricle, whereas the aorta, it begins from the left ventricle. But in case of the transposition of the great vessels, this thing it gets reversed. So what happens is the aorta, it begins from the right ventricle, and the pulmonary trunk, it begins from the left ventricle. So that left ventricle pumps the blood into the pulmonary artery and it goes into the lungs. Basically this leads to circulation of the oxygenated blood within the lungs, and the deoxygenated blood is then pumped into the peripheral circulation. That leads to peripheral hypoxia and cyanosis. So regarding the radiological finding, what we'll find is then there would be a characteristic egg-like appearance on a string. As you are seeing, there will be a characteristics egg-like appearance of the heart on a string. This one. So a newly born child, in spite of high flow oxygen, will present with cyanosis, and this characteristic condition will require surgical correction as soon as possible.